As you know, the USDCHF is a ranging pair, and I decided to do its in-depth optimization and backtesting process for the Dark Nova EA. In this video, I will share all the details and reports, so without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to Trading Growth Lab, and I'm your host Abdul. So now let's move to my screen, and here you can see I have optimized the Dark Nova EA on 7 major pairs. So now here all these reports you can see the set file, the optimization report, the optimization OPT file, and here I will show you the report tester file straightforward. I already opened it in the browser, and here you can see I use Do Technology Singapore like this, Do Prime Broker. I have done it on the initial deposit of $1,000 with a leverage of 1,000, and it made total net profit of $956 in last 3 years. It may look like it is not enough for 3 years, but what if we combine multiple pairs in one account and there will be a huge profit at lowest drawdown. One pair is giving profit and the other one is giving drawdown. Overall, we are earning some stable income. And that's why I have optimized this EA on the all major 7 pairs. Here on the screen, you can see the total net profit $956 with the drawdown of $238. This means the total net profit is 4.01 times higher than its drawdown. And the next important thing is the total number of trades, which is 1,109 number of trades in the last 3 years with the win ratio of 74.12%. This means 822 trades were closed in the profit and only 287 trades were closed in loss. Overall, we are in a good profit. So here the next important thing is the graph. You can see here how nicely the graph is going upward, and it is very important thing to look for any EA before use that on the live trading accounts. If you see a board with a graph is like going up and then down and up and down, this means that EA is not a stable EA. It can make like big profits or big drawdowns. It is very important to use a stable EA on live trading account, which give us a steady profit and steady growth. And below here you can see the profit and losses by month, and also here are some other graphs. You can pause the video and take a look on them here. And then here is a list of number of trades. To analyze this report in more detail, you can simply go to the website tradinggrowthlab.com, and here in the backtest result tab you can see all the reports and results here. First of all, I will select the Dark Nova EA. I will select the single view and then simply click on the USDCHF. The download button is here. I can download this set file from this website. I will simply click on it. Oh my god, it says VIP membership required. Yes, you can become a VIP member with 2 different options. One is free, one is paid. You can check on the website by clicking here, become a VIP member. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe now for more videos, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.